Hello, and welcome to this podcast dedicated to the history of ancient Rome. Today, we will dive into one of the most famous founding legends, the story of Romulus and Remus, the twins who, according to tradition, founded the Eternal City. In just a few minutes, let's explore the mythical origins of Rome together. According to the legend, Romulus and Remus were the sons of Mars, the god of war, and Rhea Silvia, a priestess of Vesta. Their birth was marked by a prophecy feared by their great-uncle Amulius, who had usurped the throne of Alba Longa. Fearing that the twins would one day claim power, Amulius ordered that they be abandoned on the Tiber River to perish. However, the destiny of the two brothers did not end there. Carried by the river's currents, they were rescued by a she-wolf, who fed them with her milk and protected them in a cave, later known as the Lupercal. A shepherd named Faustulus eventually found the twins and raised them with his wife. As adults, Romulus and Remus discovered their true identity and decided to overthrow Amulius. With the help of their followers, they ended his tyrannical reign and restored their grandfather Numitor to the throne of Alba Longa. But the brothers didn't stop there. They aspired to create their own kingdom. The twins chose a region near the Tiber to establish their city. However, they disagreed on the exact location. Romulus preferred the Palatine Hill, while Remus favored the Aventine Hill. To settle the dispute, they decided to consult the auguries by observing signs from the gods. Remus was the first to see 6 birds, but shortly after, Romulus saw 12. Both claimed divine favor, leading to a heated argument. This tragic rivalry culminated in Romulus killing his brother Remus, making him the sole founder of the city, which he named Rome after himself. Romulus established the first institutions of the city and became its first king. He organized Roman society by dividing the citizens into patricians and plebeians and created a senate to assist him. Under his reign, Rome grew rapidly and became a rising power in the region. Although largely mythical, the story of Romulus and Remus embodies the founding values of Rome: courage, perseverance, and the harshness required for survival and success. Thank you for listening to this legendary tale of Romulus and Remus, a fascinating story that reminds us of the heroic and tragic origins of Rome. If you enjoyed this glimpse into history, don't hesitate to subscribe to this channel to discover more captivating stories about ancient Rome. See you soon.